Alright, so the other day I got an email from TomTop asking if I would write an article for their upcoming drone, the ZLRC Beast. Now, I normally don't do that, but it's a 4K drone, it's foldable, it has GPS, and it has some intelligent flight mode. So I thought, well, I should probably do some research. And in my research, I came across Banggood's listing. Now, both TomTop and Banggood have different models. TomTop calls it the CSJX7, and the Banggood calls it the SG906, because both of those make a lot of sense. But anyway, they're the same drone. And Banggood had this video about the drone, so I got to share this video. We're going to walk you through it, because it's really kind of interesting. Actually, it's hilarious. If you've ever bought a drone from China before, you know that sometimes the instructions might be a little bit difficult to decipher. Well, that's kind of this video. So I'm going to decipher it for you. Now, I understand that translating from one language to another is very difficult. In fact, I've done that my whole life. Now, I also know that in business, details are super important. And I think that is kind of where Banggood missed the boat. Good looking drone, great video, not so awesome with those details. So let's take a look.
In a busy life, we need a relaxing travel.
We do. I agree.
Beast SG906 drone, born for
Of course.
travel. It is a powerful travel drone.
Very powerful, I'm sure.
Automatic sensor adjustment camera, 4K HD 120.
ESC camera. Ugh. What is that? I do like 4K. I like that that's constant.
Intelligent control.
Intelligent control.
Precise positioning.
Okay.
As long as you do not fly out of the Earth.
As long as you don't fly out of the Earth. Hold on. As long as you do not fly out of the Earth? Where am I going with this thing? Pluto? It's not even a planet anymore. Okay. So the satellites can locate you in real time as long as you are on the Earth. Cool.
You can locate your drone in real time. Make your flight more secure.
Okay. More stable, I guess. Does look like a nice app.
Who can fly without wings?
We can,
Beast
with rotors.
SG906 3DVR experience function.
I think they're talking about goggles maybe that you can get with it.
If you are tired, turn on image follow function.
That should help me, make me
Let
not
the
tired.
drone follow you.
Let the drone follow me.
Liberate your hands.
Liberate my hands! They need liberation. Super tired. Let the drone follow me.
Beast SG906 modular portable lithium.
Okay,
battery
so
for
swappable batteries.
uninterrupted battery life.
That's pretty cool.
Don't
I like
worry
that.
about the life of the drone during the trip.
I won't.
Turn on the follow function of GPS to make drones of your followers.
I need to make drones of my followers.
336
Totally gonna
degrees
make my
spread,
subscribership
a
go
few
through the
simple
roof.
steps. Easy to take a picture of the net red.
I need pictures of the
We
net
have
red.
Customized the fixed flight function for the traveler. As long as you
Waypoints.
set the flight path,
I
the
don't
drone
recommend
will fly
waypoints on
according to your
inexpensive
instructions.
drones. I sent one to Utah. I'm in Illinois.
Gesture
That's not
photography
good.
and
Map
gesture
thing.
recording
Ugh.
function let you capture every moment in
Okay.
real time. Record good memories. Our app can help you reshape the film.
Okay, so they've got
And
some
reproduction
editing
function.
functions. That's nice.
Can
I
add
like that.
photos, music, lens effects to the film. Share a circle with one click.
I do need to share
You will
circles
find
with
a
one
more
click, so
beautiful
that's
world.
cool.
Beast SG906 drone created for smart travel.
ZLL. Is it ZLRC? ZLL? They really need to get at least the manufacturer's name right. I'm not sure. So anyway, yes, I apologize if you didn't like that, but this does look like an interesting drone, and I'm going to get my hands on one so I can do a real review video for you. That should be coming in the next couple of weeks. We'll see how long it takes to get one here. Hey, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, click that subscribe button and make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. Happy flying.